guys. Asa na yung aking kutsarang maliit? Oh, di ba? Asim at tamis. Perfecto. Okay na siya, guys. Agkuy-agkuy. Inana. Lami gyud oy. Sus, nagabisaya na oy. $10 million is in the house. Shout out. Shout out. Ayan ang ating creamy spaghetti sauce. Yun na yung ating, yun. Yung ating spaghetti noodles. That's it. May tinira ako dito. I keep some hot dog for toppings later. And then some cheese on the top. And that's it. And then Gora Bells na sa Christmas party. Post ko na lang yung short video ng arrange ko mamaya. Short video. Yun lang, mga katoropa pits, mga kasisam, mga kalablab, mga ka-Gian Salak, checker of the Team Happy, shout out. Wilma, Cherry, Gong Cheon, Rosita, who else? Ate Chris, Rika, Bextencio, Sisikoy, Domo Arigato, Elsie, Pahim brother, thank you so much. And who else? At sa aking unika iha, thank you so much. At sa mga nagpakulay ng buhay ko, Richard Naba, thank you so much. Sisikoy Rika, Christine. Who else there? Who else na sumilit ng aking live? Si Ann Banson also. Thank you so much sa lahat ng nagbidi-bidi dyan at nagpakulay ng buhay ko. Thank you so much. At tapos na yung ating spaghetti sauce. Creamy spaghetti sauce. Alright. Yan na siya. Oh lala. Oh. Gusto ko yung meat niya, hindi siya masyadong buo-buo. Oh, di ba? Okay na okay yung pagkaluto niya. So, that's it guys. Thank you for watching guys. Nasa 1 hour na tayo mahigit. And this is it. At ako ay magpapahinga. I'm going to take a rest before I take a shower. And arrange myself and arrange everything in the house. So that's it guys. Thank you guys. Rika, Team Happy Gonggong, Unika Iha, Ate Chris, Domo Arigato, gumastos ka. Thank you so much. Hanggang sa muli natin live update. Video ko na lang mamaya ang aming Christmas party. Love. 10 million is in the house. Love. Lalagay muna ako ng nail color. Yung simpleng nail color lang. Yung ganyan lang. O, diba? Pinakita pa pati yung kanyang nail. O, diba? Alright? Love. Ito yung ating creamy spaghetti sauce. Thank you guys for watching. And thank you so much guys.